what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I wanted to make this quick video for some of you S550 owners. Some of you guys probably have cars that don't have the premium steering wheels, and for a lot of Mustangs this is pretty common, especially on ones like my 2007 that just have this really boring plain steering wheel. And you know, a lot of people wish they had a nicer steering wheel. So recently, if you saw my first episode of my new series, Friends on Road Driving, I had my buddy Pete and his 2019 Mustang GT, and one of the things that I had asked him was any future modifications. And so he had talked about installing the GT350R steering wheel, which gives it the little red centering stripe. It's got the flat bottom, it's got the Alcantara on the sides. It's a much sharper looking steering wheel. But I don't know about you guys, but when I hear the word steering wheel, I think of airbag and I think, oh my god, this is something that I don't think I want to screw with. And honestly, we both kind of felt that way. Now, he asked me if I'd help him install it, and we did it yesterday, which was Saturday. And I have to say, it was a breeze of an install, almost to the point where you're sitting there going, did we do something wrong? Breeze. What I would recommend you do is, if you're looking at doing something like this, seriously do not be freaked out by it. I was in shock. Seriously in shock at how straightforward this was. You're not using a steering wheel puller. There's nothing like that. It's a matter of disconnecting the battery, and then you're gonna have to use an Allen key to poke out and compress the springs that allow you to take the airbag assembly out, disconnecting a few harnesses, which again, watch CJ Pony Parts video. It's excellent. I'll link down in the description of this video to it. And then it's a matter of disconnecting everything and then a 24mm bolt that you're gonna take out. And that's all that holds the steering wheel on. You will have to, you know, move your steering wheel controls around because they are different on the GT350, and they also are reversed, as well as the trim is a little different. Now, Pete opted to switch his out, and I'll kind of show you a couple pictures of this, but it was so straightforward. And I just wanted to make this because I think, again, anytime you hear the word steering wheel, you're thinking of airbag, and it's like, oh my god, what have I got myself into? But guys, it was seriously really easy. It was something that I'm glad to have helped him with, and he really is happy with it, and I think it looks awesome. You know, maybe at some point we'll go through how to care for the Alcantara. That's something we were kind of discussing, but again, guys, just watch the CJ Pony Parts video. Pete ended up getting his steering wheel from the parts farm, which they do, if you're not familiar with them, they get a lot of like low mileage wrecks in different cars, so they'll part them out. And I think he paid in the $400 something range, whereas typically new, I think the steering wheel runs almost $700. So he got a good price on it, super simple to install, and honestly, it's a great looking modification to your car, especially with these newer S550s because they look so nice as it is. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you S550 owners and gives you that little bit of confidence to tackle this job, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.